Protect your DNA. BioPQQ can promote formation of new mitochondria. Infowarsstore.com.
Millie Weaver reporting for Infowars.com. We're here at the 11th Congressional District Labor Day Parade, and Hillary Clinton just so happens to be also speaking here with Tim Kaine. As you can see, there are not very many people here in support of her. So it looks like Hillary is not yet to appear on the stage. She has not come out to speak, nor has Tim Kaine. And people are just waiting, wondering, where is Hillary Clinton? Her stool is sitting there waiting for her for when she comes up on stage. And I don't know if she's having any type of health issues or whatever that's causing her to delay coming on stage. Hi, sir. When's Hillary Clinton showing up? He doesn't know. It looks like nobody knows when she's showing up, and everyone's just sitting here waiting. Is she a no-show? We'll find out. It seems like there has been some kind of a time delay. Everybody's just waiting and kind of trying to kill time. There's a lot of dead time happening.
Congresswoman Marcia Fudge for hosting us. Every time I think about Trump, I get allergic. Thank you. Whoa.
Hillary Clinton is on stage right now as we speak, and she is coughing nonstop. She sounds extremely sick. She sounds like she shouldn't even be on stage, and this explains why the speech has ran an hour behind. She sounds awful. Her health does not look very good at all. When Hillary got on stage, she immediately started choking and coughing. She is literally coughing and choking on stage right behind me as we speak. She could not even speak. Her voice was so hoarse. It sounded like she had lost her voice. People in the audience were saying, Hillary, take your time, slow down. Oh, she doesn't sound good. She sounds like she's sick. These are all people walking out, leaving the speech. Let's go ask them what they think about Hillary losing her voice.
Maybe because she ain't never been in the hood before and she ain't breathed this air.
Whoa! Well, you know, she had a little bit of something going on with her throat. So yeah, it did sound like she was a little off.
Well, thank you.
Campaigning's hard. You have to raise your voice a lot, so it's understandable that she needs some cough drops.
I think she was just getting over a cold, maybe.
What about you? Did it sound like she was sick?
I think she had a cough.
Yeah, she sounded pretty bad, huh?
Yeah.
Now, once I get over my allergic reaction.
It's like she had allergies, because there's a lot of trees around here. She probably needs an inhaler. Yeah. She probably just needs an inhaler. Some extra oxygen.
And I hope that Ohio will send Ted Strickland to the Senate.
She was 110%. She was good. She was good to go.
She didn't sound sick to you at all whatsoever?
She powered through. You know, she did a great job. She did a great job today.
Well, I
think she would just took a bad drink of water. I don't think she's sick. She was fine once she got going. She sounded good.
Also, excuse me.
Everybody gets colds. Everybody, like, maybe has minor hiccups, but I don't think that it's really, like, necessarily a big thing.
Well, you don't think she sounded sick when she was coughing and hacking on stage?
I mean, I think she's just been speaking a lot, so I mean, everyone's voice does that when they have to speak in front of a large crowd.
It's not just, as Tim said, that Ohio is one of those battleground states you hear about every 4 years. It's that Ohio represents everything that's great about America.
She had a solid maybe only 2 minutes of her coughing, and I know that the media is going to try and twist that, but that's not the case at all. She's been traveling all over, and I think that she's just tired. And, you know, she came back and she delivered an excellent speech, and she came and we're ready to vote for her to be the first president.
So you're thinking that she's not sick then, even though she clearly sounded sick?
Not sick at all, no.
Sounds like cognitive dissonance or some kind of delusional fantasies, ma'am.
I don't think so. I think Hillary's ready to be the first president.
Yeah, she was sick because of Trump. She was choking because she thought of him.
After speaking with Hillary Clinton supporters, they are still in denial that Hillary sounded sick at all. I mean, she was hacking, coughing, she couldn't even speak. Yet they're like, no, she's fine. She didn't sound sick. Can you say delusional? This is Millie Weaver signing off for Infowars.com.
There's Hillary's ambulance. Yeah, they brought Hillary's motorcade, and in Hillary's motorcade, they have an ambulance for her in the event that, I don't know, if she passes out or something because she's so sick. That's crazy. I mean, part of her motorcade is an ambulance.